filed before, and then whenever something's changed, I explained the policy.
Yeah, they shouldn't have. It's probably clerks. I mean, they actually gave you the file.
Yes.
You're looking smart.
I looked at the entire file.
Are you an attorney?
I'm not. I'm just a member of the public.
Yeah, but files are not available. We can give you all the records out of it, but we can't give you the files.
What is your name?
Carrie.
What is your last name? What's your last name?
Why would you like my last name? I'm only Carrie.
Because you're a public employee, ma'am. I'm trying to determine. This gentleman gave me his last name. No problem.
Carrie Mazer.
Terry Mazer? Thank you. Appreciate that. So essentially, I explained to them already that they can have a copy of the file.
That's going to be good. Yeah. I have a form, and we're happy to print that all out for you to give it, but it's, you know, any type of records check, if you're not an attorney, that for the defendant,
can we just talk to you?
I don't even want to look at it.
Yeah. I think you're a good person. I would just like to talk to you. We just want to look at the case. Ernie Telgte. It's a public case. This is a public court. And we feel we have the right to look at it without interference. Do you agree?
Yeah, you don't get any interference. You give us $25 to fill out the form, and we are happy to give it to you.
If I pay you $25 now, and I will do that if you insist, I will file a claim against your boss. And, okay?
If you are within your right to do so.
Oh, I'm within my right.
Here, can I ask a question? Do I understand correctly that in order to view this document, we have to pay $25?
And you and everybody else.
Okay. I'm just trying to understand, because this is all new to me.
Yeah.
And so if we give you $25, you'll lay in front of us and you can make the truck.
Now here's the difference.
No, I'm sorry.
No, I'll print out the form. We're not giving you the file. We never give anybody the file. But we will print out every document that we have scanned in, and I'll print it out, and you can have them and take them with you.
And I'm throwing this out here, I'm maybe out of place, because I'm a sheriff's deputy. Could I look at the original?
No, you can if you have a case in it. You know, yeah. And what the other option that you can have is Mr. Telgte can request it. I understand.
Would he have to pay $25?
No, he doesn't, because he's the defendant. And we would give him copies and send it over to him. But we cannot give copies.
Can you see the appearance of impropriety here?
No.
We're asking for you to do something you did 1 month ago, and you interfered with that.
No,
it appears to be
inappropriate. You got a bonus. Then you got a bonus because nobody can.
Are you saying that one of your employees broke the law? Broke the policy.
Broke a policy, not a law.
Would you reprimand that employee if I give you that employee's name, which I have?
Who's the employee?
I asked the question first. I'm sorry? What could I do to make myself more pleasurable? Besides legal.
Not be so aggressive, for starters.
Okay, thank you.
I mean, I'm happy. I'm not doing anything for you, or not doing something for you that nobody else, you know, everybody else gets the same treatment. I'm not doing anything any different.
What if I ask for a different case?
You couldn't have that either without paying $25.
No case.
What do you mean?
I can see no public case without paying you $25.
Is that the same in all counties, could I ask?
I think it's up to the county. It depends. I mean, like city court, I don't know.
So there's not based on statute, law, or anything like that?
You know, that I don't know because I'm not an attorney. All I know is...
Here's what we're going to here. You're forcing us to do a lot of legwork, pay money, file forms.
Absolutely, and you think we're not doing any legwork for you?
I appreciate that. I appreciate that. But it would be a very simple thing for you to hand a case.
That's right.
And you could even, I wouldn't touch it. I would keep my hands in my pockets, and you could just simply open it so we can look in it.
Can't do it.
Okay? That's an interference.
No, it isn't. Right here. Then this way, that if the defendant comes up and says, why did you give my information or my file? Who did you give it to? We can say, this person requested.
Will you allow Beth Sable of the Montana Television Network to do that case without paying $25?
No. She would have to pay $25 too.
We'll see.
Oh, we'll see?
Well, I'm going to ask her.
No, she can come down here. She cannot. We're not treating you any different than anybody else. If you are not the defendant's attorney or the defendant, it's $25. Now, what part of that do you not understand?
I understand.
Okay.
Let me restate that. I comprehend that completely. I don't understand it one bit, but I comprehend it. And I'm going to, I'm not going to pay $25 because I believe that you're interfering, and that if I do pay the $25, you will delay the viewing of that case, and therefore you have interfered. And who is your superior?
Please allow 7 to 10 business days for research to be completed.
Exactly.
No different from you than
What is your superior, please?
Judge Adams.
Can I have a copy? Can I have a copy of this?
It's probably going to cost you $1.
Absolutely. Now, the other option is...
Okay.
I'll pay it.
Now, the other option is you can ask Mr. Telgte to request it.
Sure.
He can send over here. We'll make the copies. We'll send them over to him, and he can give them to you.
It's a little difficult when he's in jail, isn't it?
No.
It's not difficult?
You can't visit him?
He would already have all of his files.
Oh, he should have all of this information over there.
How can we, this is our point, how can we prove that he has all the files when he can't see the files?
Because he gets copies of everything.
How do we know that it was all transmitted to him? That is the reason why we, as a member of the public, are asking to see the original file.
I don't...
My point is made. Thank you.